Hi everyone, so today we're going to tackle these headlights. We're going to see if we can clean them, buff them and polish them up so that we can get them looking a bit more newer than what they look at the moment. And my item of choice, because I've used it before and it came up quite good, is the Auto Glim Headlight Restoration Complete Kit. I think I got this for a really good price of like 15 quid or something from Halfords on an offer. So we'll give that a go and I'll report back at how good it was or not. Right, so we've done the so-called first stage or stages on this left-hand one. We're now going to the more exciting bit where we literally apparently bring it back to as new condition. So yeah, let's see how it goes. Okay, so we've now done the second stage, which is the wet stage. Yeah, it's looking cleaner, but it's not looking like new. So now we go to the next bit, which is the actual polishing. So I'll reserve judgment because I'm a bit skeptical at the moment, but I'll reserve judgment until we've done that bit. So this is it now polished. Obviously it's 20 odd years old, so it hasn't come up looking completely like new. Not sure how the video's picking it up, but it does actually look better than what it did compared to the other side that's not been done yet. Yeah, not major difference to be fair, but we'll see how the other side polishes up. But it definitely does look better to the eye, just maybe it's not picking it up on the camera, but it was worth giving it a go. Okay, so the passenger side came out really well. I think I might re-go over the driver's side, but yeah, this came out good. And as you can see, the results are quite good. So impressed with that. As I say, I'll probably do the driver's side again at some point, but it definitely came out good. It was worth the half hour, 45 minutes on each one. So yeah, pleased with that. Yeah, I'd recommend it.